Yeah, you ate it all. I was on the phone and it was this tall.
It wasn't that tall.
Oh, it was probably this tall.
Stop it!
Edit that out. So we're off the phone with the agent, our
So
agent.
you have to talk.
So it said 2 families came, really nice. Both of them seemed really interested. He seemed very optimistic, and he was there and all that kind of stuff. So,
Based on this conversation, you guys probably guessed that we decide to sell the house instead of renting. We read all your comments about both sides of thoughts and opinion about why we should sell it or why we should rent it, and both sides were very smart comments. Like, you guys had really good points at either side, but we had to come down to why we were selling it.
what's best for us? Which is what a lot of people said too.
And I think the biggest part for us, we want to sell the house to have a complete freedom, and nothing kind of holds us back. Not that the house will hold us back, but having that large property in Hawaii, that definitely, the potentially could be a headache later, depending on the tenant and everything too. But either way, because I really like the renting idea, I really did. Look, that's us.
Hello.
Need a bag today? We are going camping tomorrow. So we might go get some. No, we're gonna go grocery store for camping tomorrow when on the way out there instead of going before. But we're gonna go check some shoes. I just found the shoes I really like, so hopefully they have it here.
Suntan, sunscreen, strawberry, ice cream, midsummer's daydream, sipping in between long days, warm nights, gliding like light kites, sapphire, clear skies, whipped cream, cherry pies. Ooh, every year right around June 21st, I slip in my
Looking for these teen shoes that we just learned about.
Hey, no luck. Thank you. Oh, look at the mountain, how beautiful it is. Jacob told me to get in the car. He didn't tell me, but
running through vineyards.
we are a little busy right now because we are going camping today. That was one thing we wanted to do before we leave Maui, and our favorite camping spot in Olowalu. And we booked this like about a month ago. And then sad news that our buyer the house buyer decided to back off and not buying the house anymore. And so we are setting up the house as presentable for the viewing. Same time we are getting ready for camping. And I was like, until last minute, I was like editing videos to post it on YouTube. And I'm like, ah! Jacob did a lot of work today. We are almost there, but we need to make the last touch for the viewing part now. The camping part is pretty much done because Jacob did most of all that stuff. Checking all the windows are closed. The windows are closed, doors are locked. Alright. So I told Jacob to film me shopping, and he didn't push it the filming button. There's more ramen noodles. Where did you go?
Lost you.
Huh? Where did you go? Stop. Can I edit this one too? Thank you. Alright, let's go.
내게 한 가지 소원을 묻는다면 사랑이란 것을
We are here again. I believe this is ours. 7. Last year we came, we stayed at 8, which is right next to that one. That one is what we stayed. And this time we're staying in this one. Yay! So it's a beachfront, and we love this camping ground because it's all grass. Let me show you inside. This is it's a Tentalu. It's coming with 2. I would say it's a single bed and private. What do you call, like a water hand washing station? And this is outdoor showers, our favorite.
On number 8,
So
though, you're right
amazing.
underneath the palm tree.
I know,
which
it's
is
a lot
awesome.
more shady, a lot more shade. And back door, the bathroom is right there.
Go start unloading.
Yeah.
Start unloading from back here.
Yeah. So it actually coming with the bed sheets, pillows, towels, and extra blanket. This is all coming with it. And they also give you extra what do you call, cooler? Oh, there we go. We didn't know last year that they give us cooler, so we were like really prepared, but we knew this time. So one thing we forgot, this Tentalu doesn't have any electronic charger. And we actually went through the hard time last time, and I don't know what made me think that not remember. But I think we are going to film the camping, glamping vlog this week, but maybe universe is telling me to take a rest. You've been working really hard the last month or two, and until like this morning, until we leave the house, I was like working. So maybe these 3 nights, 4 days, we will take a, the real vacation. I mean, I came here to read the comic books and laying down. That's pretty much it. So to start that, I'm gonna have my
That's when you say, Jacob, give me something, because I already know how everything's working. You broke it.
I thought, no, did I?
It was already broke.
Oh.
Wait, what do you want?
비루. 맥주 하나
I'm
주세요.
gonna open it for you.
Yes. 감사합니다. 아이들이 앞에서 뛰어노는데 맥주 마시기가 좀 미안하네. 좀 그런가? 대낮부터 저 사람들 술 마신다고 애들이 뭘 배우겠어?
Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display. Third meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops start dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth. Cause I can stay inside and tap away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and tap away inside. Oh, take today, go dancing in the rain. Hey, woo, oh, na 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 na.
And they were about to throw the bowl to my where my phone was. This is the shit we're eating.
Na 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 na, woo, oh, na magic in the world around me. Now I often get so tired. It's harder just to be fascinated.
Hi, Coco. Hi, Coco. It's okay. Hey, Coco.
That's not even
I just don't feel like getting all the cutting boards and everything out right now. The juice is coming out. Just want to add some little refreshing lime to my beer. Perfect.
pretty juicy.
They are. 아, 맛있다.
I can stay inside and step away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh.
I thought I was able to. Jacob card.
I don't know why I can't. You gotta jump.
Oh, almost. Yay. Smells so good, huh? I'm still working. 너무 맛있어.
I would love to be your stars and your sun. I would love to be that one. I'd love to be the one to make you laugh.
그동안 너무 스트레스. That I'm so happy that I don't have to. I can just enjoy just my favorite ramen noodles now instead of worry about what's in it, what's in it, what's in it.
Go from orange to red to purple. Or orange to pink.
This is my
to red.
dream vacation.
진짜?
Being in the nature, so peaceful. Abundance of seasonal fruits everywhere, fruit trees everywhere.
잘 먹겠습니다. 3 of them? Ah, it's too hot.
이거 꼭 먹어. 너무 꼬들꼬들해 아직. 다 끓여야 돼.
Al dente?
It's like beyond al dente right now.
You're right.
Actually, we got spoon
Where's it at?
where the pots and stuff like that, and the bag on the right side.
You know, do you realize you have a tone when you're like, oh, we should have did this? And you just wait for me to say, oh, you want me to go get it for you? But there's like a certain like volume and tone to your voice when you say it. Oh, don't get up, baby. I'll go get it.
감사합니다.
잠깐만요.
잘 먹겠습니다.
먹겠습니다. again.
Sweet.
You show me your with your flower?
Oh no. Can you see it? Like that?
You like to run free, but I'll still make my plans. I'll change